Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a millet recipe this time, and if you are trying to introduce yourself to millets, then this is a recipe which you can quickly make and it turns out really delicious. So I've made this with Kodo Millet. I've made Kodo Millet upma. The ingredients list is given in the description box below, so do check it out. And if you're interested in more such millet recipes, do check out my channel, subscribe to it and click the bell. So let's jump into the recipe. So I've placed a pressure cooker on medium-high flame and heated some oil in it. I'm adding some mustard seeds to it along with some urad dal. So we'll just add this to the oil and let it splutter nicely. Once it's spluttered nicely, I'm adding some cashews to this. This is totally optional. You can add it if you want. It just gives a little bit of a crunch. If you don't have cashews, you can use peanuts as well. So I'm going to just saute this for a few seconds. After which I'm going to add some asafoetida and some curry leaves to the mixture. Mix everything together and then we'll add in the finely chopped onion and green chilies. Now we have to cook the onions until they start to become translucent. Now add in some chopped carrot and beans. Saute it nicely, say for a minute or two. Now it's time to add the millet, which I've washed and drained nicely. I'm going to add it to the vegetable mixture. We'll saute it for 30 seconds. After which we'll add the necessary water to this. So mixing it nicely. And then I'm going to add some water to this. I'm adding room temperature water, about 1 cup. I've used half a cup of millet here. So I'm adding 1 cup of normal room temperature water. So we'll clean all the sides of the pressure cooker. Mix everything well. Now add in a little bit of ghee to this, along with some salt to taste. We'll quickly give it a mix and then put it to pressure cook. So I've put it on medium-low flame and I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles. Now after the 3 whistles are done, you will switch off the gas stove, let the pressure release properly and then open and fluff the upma like this. And the simple millet upma is ready. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.